Hello everyone, this is Mokngah and this is So today we are back with new experiment. Okay, so we are going to do, what are we going to do today? We are going to do lava lamp experiment. It's a very fun experiment. Okay, let's get started. So before we start, okay, we are going to introduce the ingredients or the material that we need for this experiment. Okay, so we are going to have two versions of this lava lamp experiment. Okay, the first version is you need to have, what is this, Mikail? Water. Very good. We need to have water and what is this, Mikail? It's an eyedropper. Okay, we need an eyedropper and we also need some people they use aspirin but I don't have it. Let's try with Panadol. Okay, the tablet, and then we also need, what is this, Mikail? Food coloring. What color is this? Red color. Okay, you can choose any color that you like. And then we also need, what is this? Cawan. Okay, a clear glass or a clear jar. Okay, so for the next version, for the second version, okay, we also need, what is this, Mikail? What is this? A jar, a clear jar. Okay, and we also need a small glass, and we need baking soda. Yes, and vinegar. Food coloring. Any color, but what color is this, Mikail? Blue. Mikail likes blue, so he's going to use blue. And then we also need, what is this? Oil. We need vegetable oil, okay, and also the eyedropper. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with the first version. Okay, so we're gonna pour the water inside. Okay, can you help? No, oh, we need the oil first. Sorry. Okay, we need to pour the oil first. Okay, let's see. Okay, can you pour the oil? Okay. Oh, be careful. I need to help him. Okay, maybe like 3/4 or half. Wow. Okay, that's good enough. Okay, yeah, let's close it back. And then we need some water. Can you pour the water? Okay, it's okay. Can take out. Okay, here you do it. Just a little bit. Let's try. Whoa! Wow! Mikail? Alright, let's hold this one. Okay, let's see. Can you see the water is below the oil? Why, Mikail? Why? Do you know why? Because of this density, the water is denser than the oil. Okay, the oil is less dense, so that's why it's at the water is at the bottom. Okay, all right. Don't do anything. Okay, now is the most fun part. We're gonna take the food coloring. Okay, which color do you want to use? Blue. Okay, you like the blue color? We're gonna change it. Okay, it's up to him. Okay, let's go with the blue color. Let's open it. Oh, it's a little bit hard. Okay, let's stick the eyedropper. Need to use it with the eyedropper. Oh, my finger. It's blue. Okay, all right. He knows how to do it. Go. Oh, Mikail. Oopsie. Okay, not too much. Okay, right. How many drop? 1, 2, 3. Oh, 4, 5. Okay, maybe we need a little bit more. Okay, not too much, Mikail. Woo! Okay. Oops. Okay, alright, so after we put the food coloring, all the colors inside, we need some tablet, some Panadol. Okay, please, you have to watch it very carefully. Okay, this is our first time too, so we don't know what's happening, don't know what will happen. Okay, Mikail, can you put it inside? And let's watch. Okay, Mikail, sit down.
The solution is supposed to react by now, but nothing actually happened, so I think it may be because of the Panadol is outdated. I don't know, but let's just get to the second version, okay?
Let's get ready for the number 2. Alright, so the first thing that you need to do is, you need to take the jar and the glass. Okay, so you need to put the baking soda first. Okay, Mikail, you put the baking soda, maybe around 2 spoons of it. Okay, Mokngah gonna do it for a while. Okay, maybe like around 2. Oopsie. Okay, 2. Okay, let's finish it all. Okay, alright, and we also need oil. Can you put the oil? Yes. Yes, Mokngah. Okay, alright, let's put the oil. Okay, let's put it up. Oh, don't move. Okay, let's see. Oops, sorry. Okay, next we are going to put the vinegar inside. Vinegar. Okay, we're gonna put the vinegar inside. Okay, let's pour the vinegar. Okay, pour the vinegar, please. Here, inside here. Maybe just a little bit. Okay, thank you. Alright, and also the food coloring. This time we are going to use red color. Okay, now. Okay, this time I'm going to do it. We don't want your finger to be like this. Okay, Mokngah will try to press it out first. Then you are going to help me press it down. Okay, press it inside. Press. Okay, just a little bit more. You want to put a little bit more? A little bit je. Alright. Okay. Okay, now let's mix it. Okay, can you help me mix it? Mix. Okay. Mix it. Okay. Alright, now let's put this solution inside this. Put this one inside. Okay, let's see how the vinegar reacts with the baking soda. Okay, let's see. Wow. Wow. What is happening here?
Good.
What is that? It's a lava lamp. Oh, maybe if you... What's underneath it? Let's see. Wow! Now I can see it clearly. What is happening here? Is it cool?
Okay.
Yes. Do you like it?
Okay.
Yes.
Now for me.
Yes. This is called lava lamp.
Nobody.
Do you know what's happening? Okay, what's the physics or the science behind it? Please comment down below if you know about it. Okay? Alright? Alright?
So this is how it works basically. The oil floats on top of the water and the vinegar because it is less dense than water and the vinegar. However, food coloring has the same density as the water and the vinegar, so they mix very well together. But when you add a tablet, it sinks to the bottom and then starts to dissolve. As it dissolves, it makes gas, which is CO2 or carbon dioxide. Same goes to the baking soda. When baking soda reacts with vinegar, it produces carbon dioxide. Gas or air is lighter than water, so it floats to the top. The air bubbles bring some colored water with them to the top. When the air comes out of the colored water blob, the water gets heavy again and it sinks. It does this over and over again until the tablet is completely dissolved. So this is how you make the lava lamp.
That's all for today. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And click the subscribe button down below and give it a like and don't forget to share it. Bye bye. See you later.